Hi, my name is Sheyo Basi, and this is an important message for anyone who wants to relocate to Canada as a skilled worker and as a permanent resident. So the express entry is now open and you can apply, but there's a lot of things to do. You have to send in your express entry profile, get your invitation to apply, and then submit your application for permanent residence. And on each of those application routes, there is always something that can trip you up and make you make a mistake that can get you either not to get an ITA or to get your application refused. And these are mistakes that you might not know because they are not obvious. But that is why I created the Express Entry Masterclass, where I take you by the hand from the process of creating your Express Entry profile to getting your invitation to apply and then to submitting your application for permanent resident. Please don't go it on your own because you've made so many sacrifices. You've done the IELTS, you've done your WES or whatever your education evaluation, and you don't want to make a mistake at this point and lose all the money and all the time that you spend. Please click the link below. You have access to that Express Entry Masterclass that takes you by the hand from being whoever you are to become a skilled worker in Canada. I'm going to see you on the inside. Bye for now.